Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I've given you guys personal finance and money making tips, so I put this video together just for you. Make sure to watch until the very end and grab a notepad and a pen. Let's begin. So, we're approaching the new year and a lot of us have only one thing on our minds: more money. This video is going to be telling you about 4 online jobs for 2023. Number 1, online tutoring. Online tutoring can be a lucrative way to earn more, especially living in a third world country where the currency difference can mean big dollars. Although it takes an upfront investment, which is you paying for and acquiring your certification, specifically in the subject of English, you would need a TESOL or TEFL certificate. This is minuscule compared to the amount of money you can make if you land a job. Certificates range from $30 up to $300, but keep in mind that the cost of the certificate can also affect the accreditation of the certificate. When I did my certificate, it was $239 in 2019. My online institute constantly had holiday sales as well, so if you're lucky, you can get it much cheaper than me. The course is self-paced and pretty straightforward. Once you get your certification, it is mailed to you along with a digital copy sent to your email. You can start applying to online companies who need English teachers almost immediately. The ESL industry is large, from foreign students looking to learn English to professionals who want to learn English so they can work elsewhere. Most ESL jobs are flexible, so it's not a set amount of hours, and it usually goes off availability that you provide to the company. ESL companies pay from $7 to up to $20 and more an hour. Number 2 is podcasting. Podcasting can be an overlooked but lucrative way to make some extra dollars online. There are different ways a podcast earns, some of which are through ads programs similar to YouTube's partner program, direct ad agreements from companies who pay you to mention their business during an episode, to also selling merch branded with your logos, quotes, and also to hosting live podcast sessions and are paid for by guests to attend. The possibilities are endless. In my opinion, if you're doing an audio podcast, it's as cheap as using your phone to record. If you want maybe a cleaner sound, you could consider investing in a good microphone. Decent microphones go for about $50 to $60 on Amazon. If you want to take it a step further and have an audio and video podcast, meaning you record but you also put the video version on YouTube, you may need to invest a bit more. Some of the most important things for a video podcast are sound, good lighting, and good background. The earning potential is minimum $100 to millions. Number 3 is one of my favorite online jobs, which I don't know why more persons aren't hopping onto this, but being a virtual assistant. If done correctly, this can be a very lucrative business. Lots of persons, including myself, hint hint, are in dire need of an assistant. However, oftentimes we don't know where to look. Being a virtual assistant allows you to assist your clients from anywhere in the world. It allows you to have a very flexible schedule, especially if the tasks are things that can be scheduled, for example, a social media post. You schedule them and you go about your day. That's it. There's also a low cost in terms of office equipment, saving your client money and saving you money as well from having to clock into a physical office space. Another great thing about being a virtual assistant is you get to choose which clients you want to target. The job is so broad, I really can't cover everything in one video, but think of it this way. Finding a client where the amount they're willing to pay versus the amount you're looking to make matches. Also, targeting clients that want specific tasks done that you are looking to provide. From handling calls, flights, hotel bookings, to scheduling meetings, to running social media pages, or simply assisting with tasks that the client is already doing. Earning potential ranges from $7 an hour to $62 an hour for some assistants. Also, I would recommend that just like with ESL tutoring, find a client that pays in a different currency so that you can earn more in your country. Number 4 on the list is starting a travel agency. I know, Courtney-Ann, why is this on the list? Because babes, we're outside. Travel agents cover a number of services, from flights to hotel bookings to sometimes itinerary while you're actually on the vacation, like restaurant reservations, zip lining, ATV, and more. This job can be completely online if you want it to, and it allows you to work remotely and also do some traveling yourself. A travel agent's daily tasks would include working with clients to find out what they need, helping to choose the appropriate destination, the type of transport, best dates, hotel prices, and more. If you're living in Jamaica, this can be a very good opportunity for you to make some moolah, since the tourism industry is our number one moneymaker. Your earning potential can be limitless once you build a good reputation and clientele. That brings us to the end of our first financial video for 2023. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying any of these online jobs. Comment below what other personal finance or money making videos you'd like to see. Don't forget to join the channel and subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.